Oh, hey, didn't even see you standing there. This is the Dirt D Performance. We're here at Nostrum High Performance Fueling Products. Got the stage 3 injectors installed on Whitey, Snowflake in here, Ranger Raptor 3.0. We got the Goliath. Before we had the David, but we went all the way with the Goliath, even though David won. Goliath was a big motherfucker, so we got a big ass high pressure fuel pump from Nostrum. Before, last time we was here, we had Grave Digger or a gray truck that was the world record holder on most power and the fastest Ranger Raptor. We did a 671 rear wheel horsepower on a roller dyno. We've learned a lot since then. We've tested a ton for you guys. And just on our 3rd revision today with the same setup that you can get from us, Nostrum, Suncoast transmission, Garrett Power Max turbos, ZFG Racing tuning, 3rd pull, not E85, we're on E70. Direct your attention here. 2nd pull, we beat it 674. We was at 671 on the gray one. 3rd pull, 696. Sometimes I think he just likes messing with me because he knows I want to see a 7. Like when we were doing the gray truck, he stopped it at 666 horsepower. And I'm like, I can't drive this home. You're gonna have to change it. And he was like, man, that's all it's got. And I'm like, it's a Satan truck. I can't drive this. Well, he was messing with me, and that's where we got 671. So he did get 5 more horsepower out of it, and I done the 5 Hail Marys, because thank God we wasn't stuck on 666. We're going over 700. I'm gonna say 725. What do you say, camera lady? I don't hear nothing.
725 for sure.
You can't say what I said. That's like that show. What is that show where they say, come on down?
727.
Or what? What do you want to bet?
Dinner.
I eat a lot. We'll see what it makes.